Hello, my name is Emma Duffy, and I am going to be looking at the structures involved in a swallow using a lateral view of a modified barium. First, we're going to be looking at the tongue inside of the oral cavity. Below the tongue, we have the bottom row of teeth, and above the tongue, we have the upper row of teeth. And directly superior to the tongue, we have the hard palate. And anteriorly to the hard palate is the soft palate, also known as the velum, and it is hanging down, which is leaving the velopharyngeal port open. And then up here we have the nasopharynx. Directly below the nasopharynx we have the oropharynx. And below the oropharynx we have the laryngopharynx. And in the laryngopharynx we have the epiglottis. We also have the hyoid bone anteriorly. There's also the vocal folds inside of the larynx. And anteriorly, we have the pharynx, which leads to the esophagus. So a bolus is going to begin to enter the mouth. The tongue is going to be used to propel the bolus to the anterior portion of the oropharynx. When this happens, the velum is going to raise, closing off the nasopharynx from the oropharynx. The bolus is going to continue going down. The epiglottis is going to flip down, protecting the larynx, letting the bolus go completely down the pharynx, and it's going to make its way into the esophagus, clearing completely and not leaving any residue. And that completes the swallow.